Do you actually know the best drills all jump rope pros use to grow their skills? When I started out 15 years ago, I was practicing all the wrong things. But when I found the right drills, I went from beginner to pro 10 times faster. In this video, I'm sharing with you my top 7 jump rope drills for developing the key skills that will take you from beginner to pro. The first drill is very simple to implement. Instead of grabbing your rope and just start jumping with little thought, do what I call a 5-minute checkup. For the first 5 minutes, strictly focus on jumping with good form and technique. This will cause you to be more aware of your hand and arm positioning, your tempo, jump height, and the feel of your rope. The more aware of these things you are, the faster you can identify the issues that cause trip-ups and make the proper correction. And if you can't feel your rope, you need to check out my favorite ropes linked down below. They're durable, have great feel, and you can get 15% off with this code. The next 3 drills are related to each other and are big for developing rope control. The faster you get on and off the ground, the faster the rope can go. So in order to begin developing more speed, you need to learn how to jump low. A simple drill that will help you develop this skill and measure your progress is doing max jumps in 15 seconds. You want to get through this without tripping, so push your speed while staying in control. Record your fastest score and try to beat it. A good goal to shoot for is 30 or more jumps in 15 seconds. Now this next drill will quickly show you weak spots in your technique. We want to do the same test, but instead of doing the 2-foot jump, we want to do the alternate leg step because it allows for the most speed. This drill will now start developing your absolute max rope speed as well as speed up your feet. Jumping at all-out speed will show you where your rope rotation breaks down first, how good your timing is, and if you can keep both wrists in sync with each other. It also develops reaction time because of the high rates of speed. The real secret benefit here is that as you become more accustomed to high speeds, it will make your normal jump rope speed feel much slower, allowing you to fine-tune skills and style so your jumping becomes buttery smooth and effortless. We're taking this test up another notch, but for a different purpose. Now we want to take that 15-second max speed and increase it to 30 to 60 seconds to develop your max speed stamina. You will find that carrying this speed and coordination for this length of time is challenging at first, but will teach you a very important lesson, and that's how to continue jumping when you're fatigued. When fatigue sets in, form and technique break down, and you trip a lot. The more comfortable you get at high speeds, even when tired, the easier everything else will feel in comparison. This means a lot less tripping. This next drill is a secret weapon for breaking through progress plateaus. I fell into this when I shot my jump rope shortening challenge video, and it was crazy how well it worked. A shorter rope requires more precision in form and technique to successfully jump with it. So temporarily shorten your jump rope by adding an extra knot or 2 and practice jumping with it for 10 to 15 minutes. Here's what it'll do for you. Practicing with a shorter rope will force you into stricter form and technique. Then, when you remove the knots to go back to your normal length, you will suddenly feel like you have all the room in the world, making you far more confident and comfortable with that length. This is also incredibly effective for making skills better. For instance, if you're having trouble getting the crisscross down, practicing with a shorter rope will force you to exaggerate the crossing motion even more. When you return to your normal length, you maintain the exaggerated crossing motion, which makes you hit the arm positioning easier. There are a lot of jump rope skills you can learn, but there is one skill every jumper should not only learn, but become a master of. It can be used to increase workout intensity, transition in and out of skills and footwork, and is a skill that when performed fast and smoothly, can make you look like a pro very easily. I'm talking about side swings, but not how most people use them. There's single side swings and double side swings. But here's the simple variation that can change the game. This is my favorite side swing combo, and I call it the side under. It's a very simple pattern, but can look very impressive the faster you can perform it. You can also take this combo and add different footwork to it that just takes it to a whole other level. You need to make this part of your practice. Start slow and gradually add more and more speed as you become better. Repetition is key here. This next drill was the one that grew my skills faster than anything else. This is the simplest way to jump rope, and if you only practice jumping like this, then you're selling yourself short. It's the easiest level because regardless of speed, it's one-dimensional. You're only jumping up and down. We want to make this 3D, moving in all directions. This increases all-around athleticism and will push your stamina to another level. This can be done at a basic level all the way to super advanced. I recommend starting with these 4 basic skills. These will test your timing, rhythm, balance, and push your endurance so you can get in the best shape of your life. But if you want to lose weight, get and stay lean, you need to learn my 5 simple habits for staying lean year-round. I show you what they are in this video right here.